We're going to find the volume of the solid that's pictured here, and note that the drawing is not in perfect proportion. We'll give the answer in cubic feet, and we'll use 3.14 for pi and round to the nearest thousandth. Now, notice that the height of this cone is given in terms of feet. It's 4.5 feet. The radius is 1 inch, and we're asked to give the answer in cubic feet. So the first thing that we need to do is convert 1 inch to feet. And we can do that this way. 1 inch is equal to 1 inch times 1 foot over 12 inches. 1 foot over 12 inches is a form of 1. 1 foot and 12 inches represent the same measure, so we can write this way. And this is then equal to 1 over 12 times inches over inches times 1 foot. Inches over inches is 1, so we have 1/12 times 1 foot, or 1/12 foot, for the representation of 1 inch in terms of feet. And now we'll find the volume using the formula for the volume of a cone. That formula is volume is equal to 1/3 pi times the square of the radius of the base times the height of the cone. And this is going to be approximately equal to 1/3 times 3.14 for pi, and we're using approximately equal to because this is an approximation for pi. The radius is 1/12 foot, and instead of writing it squared, I'm going to write it twice. 1/12 foot times 1/12 foot. This is the radius squared, and then times the height, which was 4.5 feet. Now this is going to be equal to 3.14 times 4.5 over 3 times 12 times 12. And I have feet times feet times feet, so I have cubic feet, feet cubed. And when I do this computation, I find that the volume is approximately equal to 0.033 cubic feet.